here, but I think at this time it will take more than 30 minutes.
Oh, why?
Because of traffic jams. I will go to the parking lot to take my car. You can wait for me here.
I want to walk a bit. Can I wait for you at that crossroad?
Okay, you can follow this sidewalk. Then wait for me next to the street light there. Do you have any destinations to visit?
Come on, I'm on a business trip, not a vacation.
Oh, well, but you should take time for yourself as well.
I just need to do some exercise in the afternoon. Luckily, as you told me, your building has a playground in front of it, doesn't it?
Yes. What about the zoo? Museum? I remember that you really liked going to the zoo.
It's when I was a kid.
Oh, my gas is running out. There is a gas station over there. We will go there to fill it up first.
All right, be careful. Put your eyes on the traffic light.
No worries. A piece of cake.
Is there any bank nearby your building?
You want to go to the bank, but at this time it's closed.
Yes, I just want to know. I need to come tomorrow. If it's close to your building, it's more convenient. Do you want to go shopping tonight?
There is a shopping mall on the ground floor of my building.
Oh, really? I haven't heard you talk about it.
Yes, they have a supermarket, cafeterias, restaurants, clothing stores, and so on. They have everything you need.
What about cinema?
Of course.
Oh, God. Can we go to the cinema tonight? It's been a long time. I haven't gone to the cinema.
It seems your work is extremely busy, but you should take a rest tonight. We can go on the weekend.
Yeah, I need to travel too much. I got used to the airport, train station, and factory.
Oh, come on. You should have a break.
Yes, I know. I will have a month off in September.
Perfect. Do you have any plans?
Not yet.
Oh, that is it. My building.
Wow, it's bigger than my imagination.
How do you go tomorrow?
Is the bus convenient here?
Yes, absolutely. There is a bus stop which is a 5-minute walk from my home.
Okay, let me consider. I thought I would use a taxi. It's better.
Ah, you can use my car. I can ask my friends to pick me up some days.
Is it convenient for you?
Sure, my friend lives in the next building.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh, wait a minute. I think tomorrow I have an appointment to check this car. I almost forgot it. Do you have time to bring it to a garage at 5?
Yes, I'm just busy until 3 p.m. Where is the garage?
It's on the corner of the street, next to a church.
Okay. Hello? I have an appointment to check my car today. Ah, no, my friend's car. Her name is Mary. Okay, please wait for me for a few minutes. By the way, are there any telephone booths nearby? My phone is running out of battery. Yes. You can go straight following the bicycle path, then turn left when you meet a big road sign. It's in the right hand. Okay, thank you. How long does it take? Then I can come back in time. 40 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, I see. Hello, Mary.
Oh, who is calling?
It's Sam.
Oh, hi, Sam. Is everything good? Why do you use a telephone booth?
Yes, everything is fine. My phone is running out of battery. They will finish checking in 40 minutes. Did you get off work at that time? I will come to pick you up.
40 minutes? Is it okay for you because you cannot use your mobile phone?
Is there anywhere I can stay to wait for you?
There is a Mexican restaurant opposite my school. You can wait for me there. Then we can have dinner together as well.
Is there a parking lot?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so see you then at 6.
Do you want to have some fruits? I bought it on the way back to the bank this morning.
Sure, thank you. Ouch!
What happened, Sam?
I cut my hand.
Oh my God! The wound is large. Let me get some sticking plaster or gauzes for you.
No worries. I think it is going to stop bleeding soon.
No, look. It's quite serious. Oh my, I don't have gauzes in the medicine cabinet.
No worries. I will try to hold my hand here to stop bleeding. It will be okay.
Okay, keep your hand like that. There is a drugstore on the ground floor. I will go to buy it.
Okay, thanks.
Here it is. Let me help you to roll it.
I think our plan has changed, Mary.
What? How has it changed?
I need to fly back to the head office in 2 days. There are some urgent problems there.
In the next 2 days? Oh my God, is it serious? You just came here yesterday.
Yes, I know. I will come to visit you in September when I am on my annual vacation.
Okay, though I am quite sad. Did you book the ticket?
Not yet, but my colleague in the Human Resource Department will check and book it for me.
That's great. Let me know what time you will fly. Then I will take you to the airport.
You don't have class on that day?
Normally, I just have some meetings on Thursday if there is any serious problem. I can take you to the airport for sure.
Thank you so much. I am so sorry that I cannot stay with you for a longer time, but I promise I will come here in September.
Remember to fulfill this promise.
Sure.